Hey beautiful queens, can we just take a moment to celebrate that incredible glow you're rocking? Your melanin is pure gold, your curls are like a crown, and the way you naturally shine is totally breathtaking. Today, I'm sharing some amazing glow-up tips to help you level up and embrace even more of that beauty you're already radiating, so let's get glowing, sis. Shea butter for glowing skin. Girl, let me tell you, shea butter is literally your skin's bestie. It's packed with vitamins A and E, and it keeps your melanin popping with hydration, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Apply it on after your shower when your skin is still damp to lock in all that moisture. And it's a lifesaver for dry skin. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a total lifesaver for acne or dark spots. It's super soothing for your skin and works wonders on calming breakouts and fading dark spots. Just apply a little gel to the problem areas and let it do its thing. Your skin is going to feel so grateful and glow even brighter. Black castor oil. If you're trying to grow long, thick hair, especially on your edges, then you need black castor oil. Just massage it into your scalp and edges to help stimulate hair growth, and don't forget to really work it in for that extra boost. In no time, your hair will be flourishing and looking super healthy. Brown sugar and honey scrub. This DIY scrub is everything. Just mix up some brown sugar and honey, and you've got yourself the perfect exfoliator. It's gentle but super effective, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. It helps clear away those dead skin cells, keeping your complexion fresh and bright. Try using it once a week, and trust me, you will love it. Coconut oil and sugar lip scrub. Coconut oil is super hydrating, while sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells. Just mix a spoonful of coconut oil with some sugar, apply it to your lips, and gently rub in circular motions. Your lips will be left feeling soft and smooth. Use this scrub a couple of times a week, and say goodbye to dry, flaky lips. Skincare routine for melanin skin. If you want to keep that melanin popping and your skin glowing, then you need a good skincare routine. Focus on products that target dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin C serums are your besties for soft, smooth, and even-toned skin. Use sunscreen. Yes, black girls absolutely need sunscreen too. Your melanin is magical, but it doesn't fully protect you from the sun. Sunscreen is your secret weapon for keeping your skin tone even and preventing hyperpigmentation. Make sure to find one that doesn't leave a white cast, and you're good to glow all day long. Glossy lips. Lip gloss is a total must-have. It instantly brightens your whole look and makes your lips pop with that perfect glossy finish. Just keep one in your bag, and you'll always be ready to slay wherever you go. Protective styles. Protective hairstyles like box braids, twists, and cornrows are a total vibe. Not only are they super cute, but they also help keep your hair healthy by reducing breakage and letting it grow. They give your hair a break from daily styling, so you can slay with minimal effort. Edge control for sleek hairstyles. Let's be real, nothing beats a sleek hairstyle with perfectly laid edges. Use a good edge control to keep your baby hairs looking snatched all day. Whether you're rocking a cute high bun, braids, or ponytail, those neat edges will instantly level up your entire look. Apple cider vinegar. Got dandruff or product buildup? No worries, girl. Rinsing your hair with diluted apple cider vinegar is a total game changer. It deep cleans your scalp and balances its pH, leaving your hair super shiny and healthy. Just mix water and apple cider vinegar and rinse it through after shampooing. Trust me, your scalp will feel fresh, and your hair will be shiny. Satin bonnet. Satin bonnets are a game changer. They prevent breakage and dryness by keeping your hair smooth while you sleep. Say goodbye to frizz and tangles in the morning. Vaseline for the lips. Girl, if you want soft, hydrated lips, Vaseline is your go-to. It's super moisturizing and creates a barrier that locks in all the hydration, leaving your lips feeling soft and smooth all day long. Eyebrow shaping and grooming. Well-shaped eyebrows can totally transform your face and take your whole look to the next level. Keeping those brows on point adds that extra touch to your glow-up. It frames your eyes and gives you that polished look. Clean nails. Don't forget about your nails. Whether you love them short and natural or long and glam, keeping them clean and polished is a must. Dress confidently. Glow-ups are also about how you style yourself. Wear something that makes you feel confident and comfortable, and also wear cute accessories to make your look fancy. Cute hairstyles. Switching up your hairstyle is such a vibe. Whether you're feeling bouncy curls, knotless braids, or slaying in a cute wig, a new hairstyle can totally transform your look and boost your confidence. Get enough sleep. Make sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night to let your body recharge and glow up. Fitness and nutrition. Exercise isn't just about losing weight, it's all about boosting your mood, energy, and overall glow. When you pair it with eating yummy, nutritious foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, you'll feel super energized and amazing both inside and out. Clean your makeup brushes regularly. Girls, don't forget to clean your makeup brushes. Dirty brushes can cause breakouts, and we do not want that. Keeping them clean every week helps your skin stay clear and flawless. It's such a simple little hack, but it makes a huge difference in your glow-up routine. Confidence. The ultimate beauty hack is confidence. Own your natural beauty, walk like you already know you're slaying, and let that inner glow do the talking. Confidence is the real secret to any glow-up, because when you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. That's it for today, queens. I hope you loved these beauty hacks as much as I do. Let me know your favorite beauty hack in the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Stay beautiful, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye loves.